Hey there! Are you dealing with nerve pain or looking to boost your nerve health naturally? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you 7 amazing drinks that can help repair and regenerate your nerves. Let's dive right in. First up, we have turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It boosts nerve growth factor production, helping your nerves recover faster. A 2018 study showed that curcumin enhanced nerve recovery in mice. To make it, heat 2 cups of milk, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper and honey or maple syrup if you like. Simmer for 10 minutes and enjoy. Next, ginger tea. Ginger is fantastic for relieving neuropathic pain by suppressing inflammation. It contains gingerols and shogols which inhibit pain-causing substances and increase endorphins. In 2018, participants who drank ginger tea twice daily for 12 weeks experienced a 50% reduction in pain. Just peel and chop some ginger root, boil it in water for 15-20 minutes, strain and add lemon juice if desired. Moving on to green tea. It's rich in catechins, antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage. EGCG, a catechin in green tea, promotes new nerve formation. A 2023 study found that green tea protected against neuronal decline in diabetic mice. You can drink brewed tea, take extracts or supplements, just avoid excessive caffeine. Fourth on our list is tart cherry juice. It's packed with anthocyanins which protect against oxidative damage and improve blood flow. A 2015 study showed that tart cherry juice improved pain, numbness and tingling in patients with peripheral neuropathy. Drink it straight, mix it with sparkling water, or add it to smoothies or desserts. Next, we have blueberry smoothies. Blueberries contain flavonoids which stimulate synapses, enhancing cognitive abilities. A 2017 study found that blueberry juice improved memory by 15% and reduced depressive symptoms by 20%. Blend frozen blueberries with yogurt, almond milk, bananas, or other fruits for a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Let's not forget bone broth. It's rich in collagen, which supports the formation of the myelin sheath, essential for nerve signal transmission. Bone broth provides the building blocks for nerve repair. You can make it at home by simmering animal bones for hours or days, or you can buy it from the store. Last but not least, coconut water. It contains electrolytes essential for nerve function and helps replenish electrolytes lost due to nerve damage. A 2021 study found that coconut water improved nerve function in individuals with MERS compared to plain water. Fresh coconut water is preferred over processed versions, so there you have it. 7 drinks to help repair and regenerate your nerves naturally. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and take care of your nerve health.